Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. It's the weekend for me, so I thought of doing a very short video on healthy recipes before the holidays or in between the Christmas and New Year's, so that you make sure that you don't gain weight, and that you're already slim, that you stay that way regardless of the important meals that we have during the holidays. So first off, we have snacks. Actually, snacks is very good. You should always have at least two snacks. One in the morning between breakfast and lunch, and then in the afternoon before dinner. So here on the picture, you can see that I have carrot sticks. So I used, I think, two small or really big carrot stick, small little sticks. We have also an apple that I cut back in quarters, and the sauce is simply a light mayonnaise that I mixed in with Caesar salad dressing, but only half a tablespoon of Caesar salad dressing and 1 tablespoon of mayo light. Is sort of a bowl, a rice bowl, but a very small quantity of rice. So I only put 1/4 of a cup of white rice, jasmine rice, half a cup, more or less, of cherry tomatoes cut in half or in quarters, in 4 pieces, 1/3 of a cup of mushrooms, 1 tablespoon again of light mayo, salt and pepper to taste, half a cup of chickpeas, which is the main protein here, and half a cup of green pepper. I really like this recipe. It's kind of something that I came out of my mind like that. It's nice because it's much fewer calories than the poke bowl that we have in restaurants. I realized after the fact we were traveling in one city, and I ordered this bowl, a rice bowl, in a very fancy kind of bistro restaurant, and I thought that it was quite low in calories, but I realized that with the rice and with the beans and especially the salad sauce, it was I think over 700 calories. And finally, I have here it's pretty much the same with cherry tomato as well, but this time I had tuna, a small can of tuna that's in olive oil, but you take out you kind of drain it, so there's no olive oil, very little. Half a cup, a third of a cup, sorry, of cherry tomatoes cut in small pieces, 1 tablespoon of light mayo again, and half an apple, this one diced. So that's